Life is an incredible journey, filled with twists, turns, and opportunities, waiting to be seized. Yet often, the only obstacle standing in the way of our dreams is the one staring back at us in the mirror. So how can we start to break free from the shackles of self-doubt and begin to build our incredible potential instead? Join us as we explore the life-transforming concept of taking total accountability from the first stage of LifeDeck, self-love and respect. In the game of life, it's easy to point fingers, to blame circumstances, or to find external reasons for our challenges. But the truth is, the only person in our way is ourselves. We all face hurdles, some big, some small, but it's our mindset, our beliefs, and our actions that shape the outcome. Simply look at those who have triumphed against all odds. They didn't wait for the perfect moment or external validation. They took charge of their destiny because they understood that the only limitations that exist are the ones we impose upon ourselves. As 19th century writer, poet, and philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be." Imagine a world where you transform the inner critic, where you learn to embrace fear, and where you become the hero of your own story. The power to transform your life lies within you. It's not about the circumstances, it's about how you respond to them. Every setback is actually just a setup for a comeback, and every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. So, the next time you find yourself facing a roadblock, remember, the only person in your way is you. Break free from self-imposed limitations, learn to embrace the journey, and let your inner strength guide you to the extraordinary life you deserve. Your journey begins the moment you decide to believe in yourself. The world is waiting for the incredible person you are destined to be. Like and subscribe for more words of wisdom and support as you continue your personal journey of awesomeness.